Welcome to Pip Insight, Wednesday 15th of July, Asian pre-open. This session, we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 5 showing bullish structure and 2 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment, so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's Asian pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, gold dollar, euro dollar, pound dollar, Kiwi dollar, pound yen. Pairs showing bearish structure, dollar, yen, dollar, Canada. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you're here for gold, you're in the right place. And there's plenty to unpack heading into the Asian session. Price closed the London session at $4,079. Pressing right up against the $4,080 resistance zone. And that level matters because it also lines up almost perfectly with the H4 50-period moving average. That's a genuine confluence, and the market knows it. The broader H4 structure is still ranging, but the intraday picture looks more constructive. The H1 printed a clean reversal from the $4,033 lows. And on the 15-minute chart, the final 3 candles of the session were a textbook bullish sequence. Higher highs, higher lows, minimal upper wicks. Short-term momentum is clearly with the bulls. The MACD histogram flipping positive supports that though RSI sitting at 53 on the H4 tells us this recovery hasn't run away with itself yet. Now, fundamentally, today brings USDPY data alongside Fed Chair Warsh testifying before Congress. That combination has real teeth for gold. Softer producer prices could weaken the dollar and give gold a lift, while a hawkish tone from Warsh could cap the move or invite sellers. Either way, volatility is likely during the New York Open. The levels to watch into the session, $4,080 and $4,095 as resistance, and $4,033 holding as the key floor. Euro dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.14837 and 1.15. Support is marked between 1.14103 and 1.14469. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing clearly defined bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.35584 and 1.358. Support is marked between 1.348 and 1.3496. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 1 hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 162.28 and 162.425. Support is marked between 161.68 and 161.96. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing clearly defined bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1 hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.587 and 0.5885. Support is marked between 0.5835 and 0.5842. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing clearly defined bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1 hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.4055 and 1.40773. Support is marked between 1.399 and 1.4021. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound yen. The chart is showing clearly defined bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1 hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 219.514 and 220.5. Support is marked between 217.3 and 218.481. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the Asian pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X @ForexX Insight for updates. See you next time.